If I ever get a chance to renovate these houses, I will put my 100% effort. See how beautiful this looks. There is also a wooden bridge there, which is made to pass from one end of land to another. See, and this is the house. There is also a basement area in this house. Living in these kind of places is not less than living in heaven. But I don't know, I still imagine, I still wondered why people left this place. I just want them, uh, they can give all these houses to me so that I can live here, I can maintain these places.